Hey everybody, Mr. Eaker. I'm going to go over how to do scale factor so that everybody can do their assignment for Khan Academy. And it's going to be useful next week. You got a project next week, but there's going to be more details about that coming out. But for right now, I'm just going to increase that. Now let's say that this figure here, I wanted to scale this figure let's say I want to scale it by a factor of 2. So remember that a factor of 2 means I'm going to go and take these 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. Now the blocks represent the lengths of the figure sides. So each side has to be increased by scale factor 2, means it's got to get 2 times bigger. And the word times helps in multiplication. So if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, then my other one has to be 2 times as big as that, so 8. So I am going to actually, somehow on the other day, I'm going to stretch this out a bit. So this one has to be, I'm going to choose my segment here. 1, up, I'm going to put right here. I'm going to bring it down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 right there. Now, I'm not going to worry about the slanted line because when I do the bottom line here, it's just going to connect. So the bottom line is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if it's a scale factor of 6, I'm sorry, scale factor 2, and your line is 6 units long, it means this one has to be 6 times 2, which is 12. So let's see if this will work. So scale factor of 2. All right, well, that isn't going to work. Just going to delete that, and we're just going to put times 2. Yeah, so that works better. So this one is times 2. So this one is going to be 6 times 2, which is 12. 1. Oops, gotta that there. Oop. I saw delete on. What do you know? Let's redo that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. And then this one would be 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right there. And then you just connect these two because it's just part of the whole triangle, and you got one that's times 2. Let's say that, I'm going to put an arrow there, times 2. Let's say you had to make it smaller. You had to divide it by 2 or scale it by a factor of 1/2. Remember that scaling by a fraction is the same as dividing by the denominator. Or actually, it's dividing by the reciprocal. We learned that reciprocal is the fraction, flipped upside down. So let's say I had to do one for a scale factor of 1/2. Anytime it's a fraction, it's going to get smaller. 1/2. So all I have to do is times each of these sides by half, or divide by the reciprocal, which is 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 2 would be 2. So 1, 1, 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 2 would be 3. So this one is going to be 1, 2, 3. And then you just connect there. So again, scale factor is just determining what it looks like if it's been increased or multiplied by a whole number, or decreased and multiplied by a fraction. And all three of these look the same. If it doesn't look the same, it's not the same type of fraction. It's not the same figure. So that's important to remember too. So that's on scale factor, and I'll talk to you soon.